Hey everyone, hold on. Hey everyone, this is my first video, obviously, and I'm gonna play Washing Machine, which is obviously a moderate maturity thing labeled when I was joining this. And you know what? Why am I talking about this? Make sure to like and subscribe. I just you know what? Let's just get started, okay? Okay, so right now we're gonna go here real quick. Okay. What's all this about? Guys, hold on. I did get admins here, but I don't know who was the admin. Low-key. I'll pay more attention to the machines, cause, you know? Yeah. Oh, look! A big machine. Now I have to wait like... Let's see. I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, I can't turn this off. Okay. Hurry up. Oh, yay. Guess I'll be just a little loner in this tiny machine in here. Oh no, I tripped out of it. Yes, I win Ragdoll. I wonder what this looks like here. No. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, on. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Camera, you can move. Oh, bro, this is what I would actually see, by the way. Just, let's do some exercising. Dun dun do 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 do. Guys, I'm a hamster and I'm running around it. What's this? Let's do this! Oh, it lasted a minute. No wonder that machine took long. Yeah, let me go. So there was like a scrap video I want to talk about, which was about to be my first video. It was like a gameplay of normal elevator, but it got copyrighted because of the sounds and stuff. Like, okay. And then I'm like, well, that's okay. We can Huh? Bro, what just happened? Ooh. Wait, there's an extra big machine. Bro, see how big that is? No. We just gotta wait 38 more seconds. Yeah. 38 more seconds. That 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yes, yes. Imagine what this would look like in camera. Oh, God. Oh. Bro, it just looks like I'm having a seizure. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I literally lost a limb. I literally lost one of my legs. Sure hope my other leg doesn't go away. And other people's limbs are getting flued. I mean, other... Be right back, guys. My, water bottle dropped. Okay, back. How many more minutes? I can't even look at the time. 20 more. 17, 16. Imagine I just walk out missing a leg. That would actually be insane. They would be like, oh my gosh, what happened? My legs. Guys, my leg fell off. Not just my leg, but both my legs. How am I supposed to walk now? Do I crawl? Guys, what do I do? I do it. Guys, no. Sigh, I guess I'm probably gonna lose my arms too. And then I have nothing but my head. Sigh. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord. Imagine I could survive in the next 44 seconds without missing both of my arms. No, imagine. Well, I'm probably gonna jinx it. Why am I jinxing it? Let me get a nice, cool drink of water. I don't have much water. It's, the one water bottle that goes to 7 a.m. Let's get started. 9 a.m. Remember to go. 11 a.m. Keep it up. 1 p.m. Halfway there. 3 p.m. You can do this. 5 p.m. Don't quit now. Wait, no, I survived. Yay. 5 p.m. Don't quit now. 7 p.m. I'll end a day's work. It's currently at the bottom of the bottle. Okay. I'm gonna open this and take a quick sip. Okay, so I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay. So, I'm ending here, cause I'm not verifying my stupid phone number to YouTube to make this video longer, since I don't even have one. So, bye bye.